group of fully feathered theropods, dromaeosaurids, microraptors, and velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a velociraptor, the talons of birds of prey, top of the food chain, the ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
क्या बात
struggling prey. For example, like fish and even snakes. Now, talking about snakes, these birds are specialists in hunting venomous banded sea prey. That is a highly venomous sea snake. Well, they're known to dive down and snatch presence.
That's right, indeed. Birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They help to remove mold and calming. Well, that's because owls are masters of silent flight.
And talking about silent flight, we do have one more owl waiting very patiently right up there. Now, before the owl makes its way down, a gentle reminder to everyone, please remain seated.
To hunt. Owls with yellow eyes like eaglets and lavender, they prefer to hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes
60 degrees, that is not possible. It is a full circle. The poor owl might sprain its neck, right? We don't want that happening. So it's only up to 270 degrees. And the reason why they're capable of doing that is because owls have more. Hello, Mr. Owl.
Well, this is an But what if the insect were to fly and take off? Well, they able to do vertical flights into the air just like this.
Not too bad, not too bad. I'm pretty sure we can do much higher than that. I tell you what, let's try this over here, Mr. Owl. One more time, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, higher! Well done! Bald eagles can be found throughout the United States of America and most parts of Canada. But I was thinking of all that actually cats and rabbits. In a zoo in France, and she is only 3 years old, still a juvenile.
The all female raptors are larger and heavier than the male, and she is no ex and unmatched huntress. What your here is for.
Let's give you a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. All right, folks, allow me to share more about Susie. Susie has been with us for almost
A team of men and trainers. Let's give it up for Susie, our American bald eagle. Fly and glide, searching for carcasses, using their strong sense of sight and smell. Vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases. here on stage is Mano, who will be working with our next scavenger. Everybody say among the world's largest scavenger, and they have powerful good beak. Smaller vultures will make way for the king when he descends. All that because king vultures are able to get to parts of the carcass which other vultures cannot.
Now these birds, as mentioned earlier, have got extremely powerful beaks. They're able to break open rib cages with so much ease. And whenever they feel threatened or agitated, they are known to hiss pretty loud. Well folks, right now it's time for the king. Now the white-necked vultures can be found in Africa, and they are pretty aggressive leaders. About 200 to 300 of these birds are capable of stripping down a huge carcass like that one right over there, down to bones clean within 20 to 30 minutes. That is how fast they are. Well, once fast we found across Africa, everyone who knows American dogs, they can also be found in Africa, and they are able to coexist with vultures in the wild. When you take a closer look at them, you will notice they have this dagger-like beak, and also it's the
Celsius minus 4 to minus 9 degrees. जरा साइड करो. ठीक है तो अब आ जाइए. हाँ मस्त आ गया. ये है तो. Ai aja. Wow. Beautiful.